In this guide, we're going to go over how you can fix Instagram music not showing all of the songs. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, obviously go ahead and get that Instagram app open, and what you're going to want to do is tap your story up in the top left. And from here, go ahead and either choose a photo or picture or take a quick photo or video. And go ahead and just hit the little music icon and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. Try searching for, any popular artist or band. In this case, let's just go ahead and say I want to search for Drake since he is the GOAT. If their songs don't appear, your music library is likely restricted. And to fix this, go back to the Instagram homepage just like so. And what you're going to want to do is select your profile icon down in the bottom right and then select the three lines up in the top right to take you to a page that looks something like this. Once you're on this page, go ahead and select Account Center up at the very top and go to Sharing Across Profiles up at the very top as well, which will take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select your account. And then from here, go ahead and turn off automatic sharing for posts, stories, and reels. From here, go back to your main settings page, which will look like this, and scroll down until you see the option for account type and tools or creator tools and controls, and go ahead and select switch account. And then from here, go ahead and just turn yourself back to a personal account. If you're on a business account, it will limit the amount of music that you can use. But once you switch back to a personal account and save, you'll back out and be able to use whatever music you would like. That is it though. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.